Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So I'm here today to talk to you about what I think is probably the best screen protector to get for your brand new Google Pixel 5, and it's the Omoton Tempered Glass Screen Protector. Yes, it's not a household brand. It's not Zag. It's not Whitestone Dome Glass, all those guys. But I've been using these for a long time, years and years and years, probably the last 3 or 4 years. I have one on my Pixel 5 right now, and I'm going to show you here in a minute how to install it. But you can pick up a 4-pack of these things for like $8.99 on Amazon. If you're interested, click on the description. Check that out below. I've got a link to go get one if you're interested. 4-pack, it comes with everything you need. It's got the installation tray. It's got the wet wipes. It's got the microfiber cloth. It's got the squeegee. It has everything you need. All you have to do is just order it, open the box, and then go to town. No problem. I've got it installed on my Pixel 5 right now. I think that it's fantastic. Again, I've used these things for years, and this is not a sponsored video. I'm just making this video to help other people out because you may be wondering which ones to get, especially when the phones first come out. You don't want to spend $30 or $40 to pick up one of those Zag ones that are expensive or some of the other brands. Or you don't want to be at the mercy of being at the carrier and they charge you $30, $40. They want to charge you to install it. This is a good price. You get 4 of them, and you can install it yourself. It's that easy. I'm going to show you how. And I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So let's go to the installation process. Here we have the Omoton Glass 4-pack of screen protectors for the Pixel 5. Go ahead and take the contents out. We saw the tray there. Here's the little package of goodies. It's got all the information you need. You've got the lifetime warranty card there if you ever want to take advantage of that. And then we have the screen protectors, which there are 4. You can get a 3-pack as well, so be careful. The link in the drop down that I have is for the 4-pack. I think they're selling the 3-pack for like the same price. So just make sure you get the right one. Go ahead and lay everything out, but take a look. So we've got the dust absorber stickers there. Those are important. We've got the microfiber cloth. We've got the wet wipes. We got the little squeegee so that way you can get any bubbles out from underneath it once you're done. This has absolutely everything that you need. And that's one of the reasons why I like them so much, and I've been using them for so many years. You can always count on them to have all the stuff you need. And it has the tray, which is probably the most important part in all of this process. You don't have to worry about alignment stickers. You don't have to worry about any other craziness. Everything's there. The first thing you want to do is clean off the screen. So get the wet wipe, open it up, methodically clean your screen. Make sure you get everything. Ideally, if you can get these before your phone even comes in, that's great because you can take the plastic wrap right off your phone and then get to installation before you have to worry about cleaning it too much. But always, always, always use the wet wipe. That's what they're there for. Even if you just took the screen protector off and you're like, no, it's clean underneath there. No, always do everything in the entire process all over again. You don't want to ruin a screen protector for no reason. Once you've got it clean, let it dry, or you can use the microfiber cloth. That's fine too. Then use the stickers and methodically, again, up and down, all over the phone, to make sure you get any dust that might be on there. And if you have a flashlight on your, like another phone or something you can shine on there, it makes it very easy to see any dust that might be on there. The dust will ruin the whole installation. You'll have those little specks underneath it. If you notice there, I turned my phone off. Normally I do that before I start, but I caught it while I was doing this. It just makes it easy so you're not being distracted. You don't have all the lights and stuff going on underneath your screen while you're trying to put the screen protector on. So, first thing we did, we wiped it down. Then we got the little sticker so we could pick up the dust. We got the dust off of there. Now put the installation tray on there. You can see it's clearly marked top, and then you've got the bottom part on there as well. One important thing, whenever you take the plastic off of the screen, make sure you do it away from the screen so nothing falls on it. And then I like to do this one more time before you put the tray on. You never know what little pieces of debris might fall on there. It doesn't hurt. Just take a couple of seconds to go over it real quick again. So you can see here, I'm taking the film off the glass screen protector off to the side so nothing could by chance fall on there. Put the glass screen protector in, make sure you push it all the way up to the top, drop the bottom down, you should have no problems. And then you'll see it'll start to settle down on the screen. You'll see kind of pushing the air around underneath it. Use the squeegee while this is happening so you can help push it along and get any of those bubbles, any of that garbage underneath it out of the way, to make a more seamless and smooth process. Once it settles for a minute, it makes it a little bit more difficult to try and get like the big bubbles and stuff out from underneath it. So do this. Don't worry, you're not going to mess it up. You can apply some pressure on there. If you get some smaller ones that look kind of like glue spots, those are a little bit different than bubbles. Just push your finger down and hold it on there for maybe 5 or 10 seconds. Kind of push around, move some pressure around on your finger to take care of those little bubbles or little spots. And then even in some cases, if there's some real small ones, as the glue adheres to it and you use it over like a day, sometimes those get picked up and they seal up as well, so you don't have to worry about it. But you can see here, nice, solid, easy installation. I used a wet wipe. I kind of wiped off on my shirt to get rid of the residue there. I had zero problems with this. Everything installed nicely the first time. And of course, the light's messing with this as I'm trying to show you. But overall, fantastic, flawless installation. No problems there. And hopefully you have the same thing happen for you whenever you install this. It's not a difficult process. And then, like I said, if you happen to mess one up, you've got 3 extra ones inside of the box there ready to go. So if you ever mess one up, you got it. If you break one, you got it. And you can see here it's also case compatible. It doesn't go all the way to the corners, so you can put your Google fabric case right back on there, and it should be compatible with most other cases as well. But solid, easy, everything you need, and that's pretty much the moral of the story when it comes to these screen protectors. All right, so that was pretty painless, huh? No big deal. All you have to do is just use the included stuff that comes with it. Use the tray, use the cleaning tools, use the little sticker to get all the extra dust and lint off the screen, and then you'll be cooking with gas. I wouldn't recommend these if I didn't use them personally. I bought them. When I looked online to find them, I scrolled down, and as soon as I saw these guys, I picked them up. Again, this is not sponsored. I'm not being paid for this. I'm not being compensated. I used my own money and bought this so I could put it on my Pixel 5 because I wanted to make sure it was protected. If you're going to have a nice phone like the Pixel 5 or even any other phone, these guys make screen protectors for so many different phones. I've made videos on these before. I like them a lot. They're helpful. They will save you from scratching up and messing your screen. And in the event that you mess it up, you've got extras. If you scratch it up, if you crack it, if you drop it, it messes it up, you've got more at home. So it's not a big investment. You're spending less than $10 and you get a 4-pack and it has everything in there that you need. So hopefully this has been helpful for you. Hopefully this is giving you some insight if you're looking to pick up a screen protector for your phone, which I highly, highly recommend. And it's great because it's not a curved screen, so you don't have to worry about it popping off, any of that good stuff. It's got good adhesive. It doesn't do the little halo thing around the edges. No problems. And it comes with the installation kit. So this saves you the trouble of paying somebody else to do it, messing it up, going to Best Buy and paying them to do it, having someone do it at the carrier store. You can do this yourself. It is simple. It's not expensive. And then you'll have a solid screen protector on your phone. So that's all I've got. Hopefully this has been a helpful video for you guys. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section. I'll get back with you. If you enjoyed the video, or if this was helpful, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. So that's all I've got. As always, I appreciate you being here, and I'll see you guys next time.